back to our channel, The Unidenticals. We have successfully completed our birthday series. Now we have jumped into a Christmas series. There are a lot more we have planned for this Christmas series, so stay tuned with us. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a huge haul on different stores like Ajio, Myntra and Max and many other stores. So let's get into the video. So guys, going with the first product that I got from Amazon is nothing but this cute black top. And look at the packaging. Like, I have to give thumbs up to the packaging. I just love the packaging. The way it just came is amazing. It was packed so safely. Okay, let me show you. I am in love with the top. When I saw this for the first time, I was in love. So the top is basically a square neck top with puffed sleeves. I love puffed sleeves. These are so in trend. And the quality is so good. It looks sheer, but it's not at all. It's not at all see-through. It's a very comfortable material. The material is so comfortable. It's not cotton material or something. It's very different material. I'm going to give a closer shot. Now this is how the top looks. It comes with a square neck and puffed sleeves. It's from the brand called Illy London and it's in the size S. There are so many colors available: red, white, powder blue, pink, I guess. And this retails for around $4.99, I guess. I will include the price somewhere here. And this is how the top looks. I just love the top, the way it just fits. It's a body hugging top, guys, but I just love the way it looks. It literally holds the puffs. It does. Your shoulders literally don't feel sleepy, and literally amazing top. I have to say, it will fit you so good and you're gonna look very good on this top. I think I have to give a thumbs up to this. Do give it a try. I will include the links in the description box. Okay, going with the next one from Amazon. I have no words for this. You have to see this. I just can't believe that it just came so beautiful. I'm in love with pleated skirts. I've always loved pleated skirts. When they were in trend, they were very expensive, around 1,000. I've seen them in Shein. They were a bit expensive, and also when they came into Amazon, there was only one color. I think it was lavender, and it was also expensive. But this brand, Uptown Light, has so many pleated skirts available. Like, there are so many colors available. I think black, brown, and I think blue or red. I don't know, but this color is amazing. Like, look at, it's so gorgeous. It's very detailed. The pleats are very detailed and the color is amazing. The fabric is satin, guys, and I think this color will go with the season. I think in this Christmas season you must try this color. It's green, and also red and golden is also available. Go check it out. I will include the links in the description box. This retailed for around, I think, $7.99 or around $6.59. I think now the price has dropped, so you guys can go and try it for this Christmas season. I think this would be amazing for this Christmas season, and the color absolutely matches the vibe of this Christmas. I'm in love with this, guys. You must try this. So this is in the size M. This will perfectly fit my sisters. It's not in my size. I think I have to go with the L size, but I just love it. It's very long. You can wear it comfortably even outside. So good. Like, I have to show you. I can't. I'm just obsessed with this skirt so much. I didn't even expected Amazon to give such a good quality. Amazing. Okay, this is how it looks inside. Okay, there is no lining inside. You have to wear something else inside. But I have to give a thumbs up to this also. Yeah. Okay. So guys, going with the next one, we have completed all the Amazon haul. Now let's get into the Ajio. Going with the first one from Ajio, it has to be this cute black sweatshirt from Hogwarts. So this is Alari's sweatshirt. She wore this for her birthday, and most of my friends have asked me that, please tell us where you got this sweatshirt. I'm in love with this sweatshirt, guys. This is so good. This is from a brand called Harry Potter by Trends. It's in the size S, and this retails for around 400, I guess. I don't know the exact price. You guys can check over here. And I think the material and the fabric is amazing. The print is amazing. It's gold, green and black, and it's super appropriate for this season, on Christmas season. Christmas season is all about sweaters and sweatshirt, guys, all about green, gold and red. I think this is super appropriate. Do check it out. I will include the links. This is just amazing. I just love the way it looks on Lahari. Very baggy and all. It just go with the trend so much. Even I liked it. I should give it a try also in my size especially. So I think it's a thumbs up, and I think the quality is also amazing. The quality is really nice, and I think the print is a bit, it's not even plasticky. No, the prints are not plasticky, guys. It's amazing. I think you must give it a try. All the flags of Hogwarts are here. If you're a Potterhead, then you must try this. So give it a thumbs up. I will give a thumbs up to this, definitely. Going with a next product, it has to be this cute little bag. Okay, sorry, the way it looks. So this is a cute little black bag with this sling, chain sling, and with a strap sling. And this is from a brand called Berry Packers. It's Berry Packers, I guess. Yeah, it's from Berry Packers. I just love this quilted thing. Like, the detailing is amazing. I love any bag with this quilted detailing. So good. It just looks so rich. When I saw the picture, the bag was a little small, but it just came so huge. I love the way it looks. The quality is amazing. Literally, the quality is amazing. There is only one zipper and there are no sections. Yeah, there's only one section available and there's no other section, and there's a lot more space. You guys can keep so much in this. And there is no adjustment for the belt. You just need to wear it like a crossbody bag. You guys can also hang it somewhere. And this is so good. I think you guys can try this. The quality is good. I find no like cons about this bag. I really like the finishing. The finishing is so good. It doesn't look cheap. And this golden chain also doesn't look cheap. The quality and the color is amazing. Now this retails for around, I think, 600 or like that. I don't know the exact prices of anyone. Do check it out, the exact price. But if you want something in quilted, then I think you should try this out. The next one, it has to be this top. Now I got this top like 2-3 months back. This is from the brand called DNMX. I have so many tops and shirts from the same brand, DNMX. I think this brand is amazing for t-shirts or shirts. The quality is amazing. This is how the t-shirt looks. You can see the prints. This is not a plasticky material. It's more like a rubber type. Using this for a few months, and I think the quality is still the same. There were no any kind of patches, and it's in the size S. This is how it's gonna look. And there are many more prints available in this. I think it just retailed for around 200. I think it's worth the price. It's amazing, guys. You should give it a try. Going with the last product from Ajio, it has to be my favorite. That is this cute little sweatshirt. So when I saw this sweatshirt, I was like, I want it. I just want this. This was so cute. Look at the color. This is my favorite color. Lavender is my favorite color forever. And I got this sweatshirt. It says shine, and there are little stars going here and there in holographic. Holographic is amazing, guys. It's just so in trend, and I just love the color. This is how the sleeves looks. A bit tight over here because it's a sweatshirt, and the material is amazing. The fabric, whatever, it's so comfortable, and I think all you have to do is twist the season. So I just loved it. I don't know the size. I think it's in the L size. Okay, mine is L. And it retailed for around 600, I guess. I know it's a bit expensive for a sweatshirt, but if you feel that it's a bit expensive for sweatshirt, then don't worry. There are other sweatshirts that are available starting just from 200 to 300, I guess. Go check it out. I think there are amazing sweatshirts available in that range, and this is from the brand called DNMX. As I told you, I have so many of them from DNMX. and I just love this sweatshirt. The holographic print is amazing. The print is a bit plasticky, like I think in future it may get a little bit disturbed. I get patches over here, but it's fine. Like for now, it's amazing. I have to give a thumbs up for this. Okay, so guys, we're done with the Agio haul. Going with the going with the Max. Okay, I also got something from Max. Is this very comfortable trekking. This trekking is amazing. I got it in sale. This is from a brand called Max in the size L, and I got here some flies, and the material of the flies are very good. Like, and this is an ankle length pant, and I think it's very stretchy. The trekkings are very stretchy. It's a high waist trekking. Also comes with this elasticity, and they're very comfortable. And it retailed for around 1,000, but I got it on sale 50% off. 500, I think I got it for 500, and this is amazing. I think I will forget jeans from now. I will only buy trekkings. Trekkings are so comfortable. Even for traveling to anything, I think trekkings are the best, guys. You should try these trekkings. These are also available in online. Do check it out. I think the sale is not there now, but I think in online you guys can find the sale, so do try it out. I will include the links. It's high waist. The best part is the high waist. There are more other types of trekkings also available, but I just like this one which have this zipper detailing going on, so thumbs up to this also. Next, going with a Myntra haul. So I got these white shoes from Myntra. White pair of white shoes. These are from the brand called Cook and Peach from Myntra, and I just love the way the 3 stars look. The quality is amazing, guys. They are super comfortable and super easy to wear. Like, not super easy, but very comfortable. Very soft material, and I just love the way it looked. Also very classy and very basic. Also quality is amazing. You should try these out. Okay guys, going with the last one, it has to be one of my favorite store called Mannat. If you're living in Vijayawada, you guys probably know about it, and if you don't know, then don't worry, I will include the address in the description box. Go check it out. Go to the store. You will find everything from kurtis, shararas, chunnis, pants to beautiful tops, and also pants, and also joggers. So like Lahari and me went so many stores for joggers, but we couldn't find any of them, but finally we got one from Mannat, guys. Look at the quality. I just love the way it looked. The quality is amazing. It's just so stretchy. Best part is that it just came with pockets, and this is how it looks. And the material is awesome, guys. The material is so comfortable. Like, she felt so comfortable. I told me so many times that she felt so comfortable. These are stretchy and super comfortable. I think there are many other varieties available, guys. Do check it out. Her store, amazing, I have to tell you. And also I'll show you the try on haul on this pants, so do check it out. So we got this for around between 400 to 300, and the material is awesome. You should try this out. If you guys have any kind of queries regarding the collection, then I will include all the details, all the address, how you can contact them. I will give all the links in the description box. Do check it out, and do also follow them on our Instagram page called Mannat Fashion Store. Do check it out, all their fabulous collection, guys. So I think we are done with the haul. I just showed you all the Agio, Myntra, Max and Amazon haul, and also the Mannat haul. I hope you like it. There are more hauls coming soon, and we also thought to do a Mannat haul soon. We're gonna do that's that. For today's video, guys. I hope you liked our Christmas series. This is just starting. There's a lot more to go, guys. Just stay tuned with us and keep on watching all our videos without a miss. Till then, bye bye.